Welcome to the introduction to Horion M2 Interactive Flat Panel. Horion M2 is a smart flat panel designed for corporate meetings and teaching applications. It integrates the features of a projector, an electronic whiteboard, a computer, an ad player, a speaker, and more. Horion M2 employs metal bezel and arc-shaped design, with only one power button on the body. Simple and elegant. Such an exquisite product placed in the conference room can boost corporate image. Tap the power button gently to turn it on or off. Too much trouble like cleaning many times. The pen running out ink or couldn't wipe the board clean with traditional whiteboard. Now let's take a look at the interactive flat panel. The matte texture screen gives you the feel of a real whiteboard. You can change the brush thickness and color and the background color according to the scene and your preferences at any time. Put two fingers on the screen to zoom in the font to the right size and place it anywhere you like. There is no room on the page. Add a page. Up to 99 pages can be added, equal to 5,000 pieces of A4 papers. If you want to change what is written, you can use the back of your hand to erase it directly or circle the part and delete it. You can use the undo and redo buttons if necessary. To start all over, you can clear the screen or delete the page. The content of the meeting can be saved as images and stored via USB disk, mail, or QR code. And you can encrypt the images for security purposes. In the past, usually you need a projector, a screen, a laptop, and cables for a meeting. Too much trouble. Now just insert USB flash drive and open the PPT with Horion M2. You can slide to switch pages, or tap the screen in the middle to quickly jump to the certain page, and stop to add comments to key content for further discussion. With an interactive flat panel and a smart pen, you no longer need an assistant to help with a projector. How can you stand a low image quality when playing important videos such as corporate promotion videos? Horion M2 uses LG original screen with 4K resolution ultra-clear image quality, far better than the image you get with a projector, and the brightness can be adjusted. In case you want to connect the interactive flat panel to computer, use the supplied HDMI cable to transmit AV signals. And you can use the touch cable to realize the reverse control. But this is out of fashion. You don't need to bother with cables with our wireless mirroring device. Plug it into the flat panel when first used, and unplug it after the pairing is completed in seconds. Then plug it into the computer to establish connection between the computer and the flat panel. When successfully connected, press the function button to start mirroring. Even more convenient, you can control the computer in reverse. In addition, mirroring of Apple devices and Android devices is also supported. For Apple device, first connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot created on the interactive flat panel. Then swipe up the screen and select Screen Mirroring, and click to connect to the corresponding Wi-Fi. For Android device, scan the QR code to download the Screen Mirroring Assistant app. After the download is completed, connect the Wi-Fi hotspot created on the interactive flat panel, and then click Connect button in the app. Horion M2 uses Android 5.0 system. If you need to use Windows system, you can add an OPS module to connect to the OPS source. Now, the interactive flat panel has turned into a large touchscreen computer. It can realize all the general functions of a computer. For example, teleconference. Open the video conferencing software. enter the username and password. Select the conference room and double-click to enter. Participants in other locations can also log in and enter the conference room to join the teleconference. Click to enable the camera so that all participants get to see each other. Up to 32 participants are supported. During the meeting, you can apply to be the key speaker via the software. The key speaker can share the screen, whiteboard, documents, audio and video files, etc. He or she can also use functions such as record video conference, check attendance, and so on. In addition to the functions of the projector and whiteboard, the interactive flat panel is also equipped with many applications that can boost efficiency. Meeting agenda. This app is intended for scenarios that involve timekeeping, such as speeches, interviews, timed discussions. Open meeting agenda. Set several time points, and then return to the main interface. Speakers can control the pace according to the timer. A prompt will be given when time is up. Voting system. We often vote on the issues in a meeting. If operated improperly, things can be very awkward. And it is also very inconvenient to write a vote anonymously. Now with this app, you just need to enter your option and then use a voting code to vote anonymously. Efficient and awkwardness-free. Welcome page. This app can be used to give a warm welcome when important customers come to visit. Customers will feel valued and respected after seeing the welcome page. Such a small gesture can quickly bring you closer together. User guide menus for electronic products, like mobile phone, are usually tossed aside carelessly and almost impossible to find when really needed. To save you the trouble, we have put the menu in the flat panel, so you don't have to look everywhere when you need it. The menu can help solve 90% of your problems. What about 10%? We're always here to help. Send your questions or suggestions for our products via the feedback app, and we will respond shortly. Long press to move any app or to delete downloaded apps. You can also open the sidebar to delete or enter a recently used app. In this modern society where high efficiencies are valued, we hope that this video helps you breeze through the ABCs of the interactive flat panel, and that this product will help you get ahead of time.